Thank you for visiting the Waterkotte website and our YouTube channel. Our criminal defense law firm in Missouri has over 400 perfect reviews and a long history of client satisfaction, dismissals, charge reductions, and victories. We have created these audio articles to help protect your freedom and rights. If hired for your case, we'll not give up until you get fair justice. Pseudoephedrine Charges Defense Attorney in Missouri. If you or someone you know is facing pseudoephedrine charges in Missouri, it is essential to contact a reputable drug charges and possession lawyer right away. Waterkotte has the knowledge and experience necessary to defend you against pseudoephedrine charges and minimize the impact they have on your life. Pseudoephedrine charges in Missouri. Know the facts. Pseudoephedrine, a chemical component in many over-the-counter medications like nasal decongestants, has a molecular structure closely resembling that of amphetamines. This similarity makes it a preferred ingredient for producing methamphetamine. Pseudoephedrine is readily available at major pharmacies and other retailers, and is one of the essential ingredients in cooking meth. Due to this, Missouri, like numerous other states, has imposed regulations on purchasing medications containing pseudoephedrine. If you've been arrested for pseudoephedrine possession or for attempting to sell it, you could be facing serious penalties. You need a skilled and knowledgeable Missouri criminal defense attorney on your side. The Waterkotte legal team has over 40 years of experience and has successfully handled more than 10,000 cases just like yours. Don't gamble on your future. Call a Waterkotte pseudoephedrine charges lawyer right away at 314-900-HELP or reach out online for a confidential, no-obligation consultation. What is considered a pseudoephedrine charge in Missouri? According to Missouri Revised Statute Section 195.417, pharmacies and retailers cannot sell any one individual more than 9 grams of any products containing pseudoephedrine within a 30-day period. More than 3.6 grams of any products containing pseudoephedrine within 24 hours. Stores must also keep detailed logs, records, and receipts for all transactions involving pseudoephedrine. Although this level of regulation may seem excessive for common cold medications, law enforcement is stringent due to the risks associated with meth production. Consequently, anyone possessing pseudoephedrine above this legal threshold, or retailers not adhering to the law, may face Class A misdemeanor charges, punishable by fines, and up to 1 year in prison. Enhanced charges and more severe penalties might also apply if there are aggravating factors, such as prior convictions or possession of larger quantities. Defense strategies for pseudoephedrine charges in Missouri. Some of the defense strategies the Waterkotte pseudoephedrine defense attorneys have used to successfully defend clients in drug cases in Missouri include intent to manufacture meth. In cases where the charge involves intent to manufacture, the prosecution must prove that you knowingly intended to use pseudoephedrine for illegal meth production. This is not always straightforward, particularly if you had legitimate medical reasons for purchasing pseudoephedrine. By gathering evidence that the substance was obtained legally and with lawful intent, a Waterkotte defense attorney can work to counter accusations of intent to manufacture. Challenging search and seizure procedures. Our defense often begins with a close examination of how law enforcement obtained evidence. Missouri law mandates that searches must follow strict Fourth Amendment protocols, meaning that any illegal or improperly conducted search can be challenged. If police found pseudoephedrine through an unlawful search, the evidence may be suppressed, which can significantly weaken the case. Exploring plea options. In scenarios where evidence strongly favors the prosecution, a negotiated plea might sometimes be beneficial. This approach can potentially lead to reduced charges or lesser sentencing. Our firm's experience in handling drug-related cases in Missouri allows us to negotiate effectively with prosecutors to seek the best outcome possible. How a Waterkotte, Missouri Pseudoephedrine Charges Lawyer can help. When facing pseudoephedrine charges in Missouri, which can have major ramifications on your personal life and future, choosing the right drug charges and possession attorney can make all the difference. At Waterkotte, we provide a team of experienced lawyers who are dedicated to getting you the best possible outcome. What can happen if you ignore pseudoephedrine charges in Missouri? Ignoring these charges can lead to an automatic conviction, resulting in severe fines, probation, or even prison time. A warrant could be issued for your arrest, leaving you vulnerable to being taken into custody at any time. You may lose your chance to fight the charges, as deadlines for legal defenses and plea negotiations will pass without action. Prosecutors won't ignore your case, and without a defense, they'll push for the harshest penalties possible. A conviction will stay on your record, making it difficult to find a job, secure housing, or pass background checks. Your driver's license and any professional licenses could be revoked, impacting your career and daily life. Life enforcement may assume guilt, and without an attorney, you have no advocate to challenge their accusations or silence their interrogations. You could face felony drug manufacturing charges, especially if prosecutors argue you intended to produce methamphetamine. Waterkotte Pseudoephedrine Charges Lawyer, comprehensive legal resources in Missouri. Our team has access to extensive resources that aid in defense preparation, ranging from toxicology and drug analysis experts to private investigators. This approach allows us to build robust defense strategies that help achieve favorable results, especially in complex drug cases involving controlled substances like pseudoephedrine. Get the strongest defense against pseudoephedrine charges in Missouri. Early intervention is critical if you're facing charges related to pseudoephedrine possession. You need to fully understand your legal options and have an experienced attorney start building a defense. The Waterkotte drug crime defense lawyers will aggressively defend you and provide reassurance that you aren't in this fight alone. You're not merely a number. Our defense centers around the specific circumstances of your case, not some inside-the-box, one-size-fits-all strategy. Facing pseudoephedrine charges in Missouri? Call Waterkotte now. Pseudoephedrine charges might be misdemeanors, at least at the surface, but if an initial charge leads to intent to manufacture meth, you could be facing serious trouble. By hiring a Missouri-based criminal defense attorney who leverages vast resources, prioritizes your individual needs, and brings deep expertise in drug crimes, defense can make all the difference. Give the expert drug crime defense attorneys at Waterkotte a call right now at 314-900-HELP or reach out online for a free confidential consultation.